So I'm doing a video here. This is a C7 heui injector, 2005. I use those from 2004 through 2000, and I'm not sure when they stopped, but anyway, these are the injector placement. So you got a 3207. That's of course the small one. And then the next is the white one. There's no part number on that, but pretty much obvious which one goes there, white. And then this one here, which is it's a 148-2903. That's a round brown black one. And then the next one here is the green one, which this green one says it's for fuel because the fuel side is down here. This is the oil side. But anyway, even checked with the manufacturer. So this one, of course, is it's like 169-8598. And then the square one goes above that, 169-8586. That's a square one. And then finally, the very top is the steel one. Steel one goes at the top. And that's it. So anyway, all right, well, like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.